What's going on, everyone? Got a 370z remote key fob here, and I'm gonna show you how to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna take the emergency key out the bottom first. Okay, so there's a button right here that you slide to the right, and then you can pull the emergency key out. Now I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver to open up this remote. If we look at the very bottom of the remote right here, you'll see two little slots. I mean, they're super shallow, one on the right side, one on the left side here. Just pick one of these, stick your screwdriver in here like this. It doesn't go very far in here. Just give it a twist, okay, and it'll open the remote up. Okay, you can do both sides like that, and it'll kind of crack it open. And you can get your flathead screwdriver, put it in the side like this, and just open it up. Okay, you don't want to go cranking at it too hard because there is circuit board right here, and on the back side of the remote is what holds the battery. Okay, so I'm gonna get my flathead screwdriver. There's a slot right here on the right. Put it in here and you can pry the battery out, and I'll show you what size the battery is. Okay, the battery size is going to be a CR2032, and the side that has the positive sign on it is going to be facing down. Okay, you're going to put it in the left side first, then pop it right in there, and it should stay in there like that. And you just get the two halves of the remote, line them up like they originally were, start at the top, work your way down, just push this guy back together, and then get your emergency key, and it should slide in and lock. And if it does, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, and hope to catch you again in another video.